AJ Simmons here. I want to walk you through how to create a website. That way you can create a website for your cleaning business or whatever type of business you have, or maybe you want to start selling stuff online, maybe start an e-commerce store or whatever. But anyway, this is just going to be a simple tutorial for starting a basic website, alright? And since most of my followers are in the cleaning industry, I just kind of base it around that, alright? So let's start. All you need to do is, for this one, I'm going to use Blogger as the host for the site, and you can use there's a bunch of different options out there: Wix, Shopify, WordPress, etc. But for now, I'm just going to use Blogger. Alright, so I went to blogger.com, and then I'm going to click Create Blog, and then I got so many accounts, so I'm going to just choose an account to use. I'm going to use my fiance's because I know for a fact that she doesn't have a blog site yet. Alright, now I'm logged in, and they want me to confirm my profile. Alright, then you just continue on to Blogger. We don't care about that. Alright, and then we're going to create new blog. Now right here they're going to ask you to, let's start off here. Title of the blog is Cleaning Business Site Test, and then we'll just do Cleaning Business Site Test .blogspot.com. You have to put .blogspot.com unless you already own a domain name. If you own a domain name already, you can put it there, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to buy the domain name at the end just because it's more simple that way. Alright, they're checking for the address availability, but I'm sure it's available. And also the domain name is only $10, alright, and the Blogger is actually free to use. So we're just going to pick a template here. Now me, I like to pick, let's see, this is usually an easy one to work with, so I'm going to start with the Awesome Ink template, but you can pick any one of the templates that you want to pick. And name is available. I got the name, and we picked a template to start off with, so I'm going to click Create Blog. For whatever reason I got an error message there, but I just clicked that. Alright, no thanks. They asked that I want to find a domain name. I don't want to for right now. Like I said, I'm going to handle that later. Alright, now let's go to here. I want to click View Blog. Why? Because I like to always see what the blog looks like before I do anything else. Okay, so look in here. This is how your site currently looks if it were live and if everything was ready to go. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is let's get some content on this blog, alright, or on this site rather. And so what I'm doing basically is where you see the blog is where the content for your site will go. Okay, so let's put a picture in there. And again, I'm doing this very quick. I'm giving you an example of how easy and quick it could be to create a website for free. Okay, now select that picture, add selected. Alright, and that'll be the picture inside my site. Now space that down, and I'm going to put some words in here. I want to bold it, and I'm going to put a title here. And first I'm going to say Cleaning Business Company, and that'll be, so if this was the name of your company, maybe you can put that here, or maybe if you just want to put like a subtitle, like for example, top cleaning in Florida. Alright, then publish that. Alright, let's view that and see what that looks like. Close the old one. Alright, bam. So you see that's how it's going to look. Now what you want to do, you see the cleaning business test site. Cleaning business site test is the name of the actual site. Now if you had a company name, you will put that here. So it will be Cleaning Services 101 in Florida. Alright, that will what you want to be here. And so if your business name is Cleaning Services 101, that would be what you put here, and then put www.cleaningservices101 as your domain name again, which I'll get to later. Alright. Now next I want to do is I want to get rid of these things. Alright, I don't want anything on the sides here. So let's go back in here to our layout. And let's go down here to sidebar, right? So cause as you can see, this is basically the back end of what the website looks like. Now, the nav bar, we're just going to delete the nav bar, and what the nav bar is, let me go back and show you again on the live site. What the nav bar is this thing here. You don't want this nav bar here, because all this does is made for people who actually use Blogger or Blogspot as an actual blog. And so for people, avid readers in the world, which I'm sure there's not too many, that want to come on Blogger and just scroll through different blogs, they can just click the next button and go from your website to the next blog site. Alright, but you don't want that there, because you're not going to use this as a blog, you're going to use it as an actual website. Alright, so let's go in and delete that nav bar. Click edit, and then go to off, click save arrangement, close that live preview, and let's open up a new one. And as you can see, that bar is gone now. So now you're already starting to look more official, like a real website. Alright, like I said, next we're going to get rid of these things here. So you come down here to side right, click edit, remove, okay, and then click edit on this. Alright, and then you just come down here and do the exact same thing for this one. Click edit, go down to the bottom and click remove, click OK. They're asking, are you sure you want to remove this element from the page? Click OK. Alright, and then gone, you hit save arrangement, and let's view the blog. You can close the other one out. Now you see there's nothing here as well, but the problem here is you got everything over here and it's not centrally aligned. So let's go back to our back end and let's go to theme. Alright, now click the customize button, and let's go down to width, adjust width. Alright, and go to the entire blog, and if you widen that up, you can now make this take up more of the page. Now notice at the bottom of my screen there's this bar right here that moves it from side to side, and the bigger I make it, the smaller that bar gets, and more space that this bar has the room. So you don't want a website that you have to scroll left and right to. I don't prefer that, and most visitors to your site probably won't either. Instead, what you want to do is make it so that you just have just enough to fill the page without making that bar have to move at all. So I would say right about here. Alright, so that's 1260. Then for the right bar, remove it completely, because you don't have a right bar. Alright, apply to blog. Now there's other things that you can do in here, like maybe the background. If you wanted to add some art or a logo or whatever the case may be, you can do that. So let's just put that there just for fun, to show you how it's done. And now that's there. You can also put a picture from your page, from your saved file. So if you have like a logo saved on your computer, you can put that in the background as well. Alright, but we're going to leave that the way it is for now. Apply to blog and go back to Blogger. Alright, now let's close this live edit out and let's view the blog just to check it out and see what it looks like. Alright, so now we have it looking like this, so not bad so far. Now let's go back in the back end and let's remove this. Alright, we don't want a date here. We want this to look like an official website, not a blog. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out how to do that, because I don't remember off the top of my head. Let's go back to layout, and let's go to the main blog. Alright, And then right here where it shows you the date, uncheck that, uncheck the posted by, uncheck that, uncheck that, uncheck that. Unless you actually want to use your site as a real blog, uncheck all of these things, okay? Right, and we can save that. Now let's view the blog, or the site rather. And as you can see, all of that extra stuff that was there, the date, the comment, the posted by, and all of that is now gone, alright? Now, what I might even argue is that you can get rid of this title as well and just put a picture here, or figure out a way to center this title here. So let's figure this out. Let's go back in and check that out. So let's go to post, because that's where you originally posted that. Go to edit, and I'm sorry if I'm going kind of fast. Just go back in if you need me to slow down, and go back, pause it, rewind it, slow it down, whatever, and click large. Alright, I wanted to make that larger, so let's update that. And then also, let's go back to the post again, and let's see if we can do something about the words. I believe I'm going to have to go into the customize tab. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, so let's get out of here, close that, and let's go to theme, and let's go to customize. Alright, so you remember we were here earlier. We're going back in, and we're going to go to let's go to layout, and I kind of wanted this layout, so let's pick this one. Alright, that's what I was going for in the first place. Alright, so let's apply that, and then let's also go to body layout, click that one, apply that, and then I'm trying to find how to adjust the text and stuff. Alright, so here you go. Blog title is what I was looking for. Now, the blog title is this right here, and then the post title is this here, right? So if we want, we can make that a little bigger, or like I said, we can get rid of that completely. Alright, but let's just make it bigger for now. I want to try to get it looking as centered as possible, so let's see if we can pull that off. So that's close. And again, I'm not trying to make this perfect, I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can make a website and not pay top notch for it. Alright, so perfect. That looks about as close to centered as we need it. Now we're going to apply that to the blog. Let's go back to the blog title, and we're going to make that bigger as well. Let's make that at not quite 70. Let's make that 60. Let's change the font to Impact, and then we're going to change the color because we want it to stand out a little bit. See if they'll let me go 55 on it. Yep, they did. We'll apply that. And so this will be your business name here, and then down here maybe you can put top cleaning in whatever area you're in. You can put maybe services we provide or anything. You know what I mean? So let's go back to blog and let's play with it for a bit. So go to post. Let's put alright, and let's try that, and let's see what we're looking like now. Alright, so we're getting there much better, right? We're starting like a real website. And what's going to happen is next, what you want to do, because you might say, alright, well, that's the home page, but how do I create other pages? Well, you just click on this tab here and go to pages, and then you create one new page. You can call this the About Us tab. Alright, and then what you can do here is place another picture here that'll give you You know, just some simple stuff about y'all. Select that picture, add selected, and space that down. And as you notice, they allow you to make this picture left, centered, or right. Okay, I'm going to leave it centered, and I'm also going to leave my typing centered as well. And I'm just going to pull a couple of things. Cleaning business was founded by AJ in 1988. Alright, bam. Alright, now publish that. Now that's one page. Let's do another page. Our services. Alright, you can put a picture here as well, but I'm not going to waste time. You get the idea, and then we'll put commercial, residential, post-construction, special services. Alright, and then under special services, just in case you guys are lost on that one, it's basically your windows, your carpets, your floor cleaning, like strip and wax, etc. Right? We'll publish that. Now, let's go to layout. And what I want to do here is add a gadget, alright?